going to transform into Betty Boop. Now, a lot of Betty Boop is so fun because she's iconic. She's a cartoon, and I think she's from like the 30s. She is such a cute little like pinup type. I think we just kind of idolize the idea. But what makes it fun is because it's a cartoon, you can do whatever you want. So you can make it very exaggerated and caricature, or you can just kind of like do your thing and put on a red lip and a, you know, false eyelash and wing and whatnot, and you know, you're good. So I think what makes it is the eyebrows. So I have put on glue stick over my eyebrows. It's pretty easy. You just do this and then let it dry. I've never done that before, but I'm hoping it's gonna work. I've got a wig, and I'm going to list everything in the description box. If I don't talk about it, then you know where it's from. So I'm gonna start with first I'm gonna do my primer, and this is the number 7 Airbrush Away primer. Yeah, I should really list last year's looks so you can see what I did. Now I'm gonna mix the Kokie HD in the 10C and this Thrive CC cream, which I've never talked about. Thrive Cosmetics Buildable Blur CC cream. I bought a shade that's too light. I bought Fair Light, which was silly of me. So I'm like, perfect, I can use it now. So I'm mixing the two. I don't know why I'm mixing. Sometimes I just feel like, oh, let me try this product. I haven't used it in a while. So that's sort of the reason behind that. The nice thing about the CC cream is it's kind of thick. Okay, let's see if, hang on, I'm gonna use my Focallure palette mirror. If you don't cover your eyebrows perfectly, which I have not, yeah, I didn't do enough glue. I did not do enough glue. Well, there's a lesson for you. All right. Also, I just want to mention Better Off Red. She is killing it with her Pennywise and Beetlejuice looks already this season. I mean, there's the bigger channels like Mikey, Glam and Gore that do their thing, and I love it. But you guys, I love people who love playing with makeup as much as I do. And Candy Johnson, I mean, she's the OG. Did she do Betty Boop? I think she did Betty Boop. I am going to paint on my eyebrows the way she has them, and she has them like boop, like way up, so that they look like she's kind of in this constant expression. I'm using this Essence liner. So I'm just gonna go in a nice kind of mauve-y shade. I'm gonna do a transition shade, just like always, right? Nothing to see here. And it's pink. Somehow I picked a pink shade. That's kind of funny. Because I forgot I was going to use this e.l.f. palette. It has such good neutrals. It's the brow and eye palette. And because her eyebrows are way up here, we can take our eye look very high. It's kind of fun. Now we're going to pack on a black shade. We're gonna draw on a lower lid. This white pencil is looking kind of pink. It's a little bit iridescent. What the heck? Let's try this instead. I'm taking a set of false lashes and I'm cutting them apart so that I can glue down the individual wispies. I mean, I could get wispies, but the idea is that we're going for exaggeration, right? Like little lash pieces. This takes a while because you have to wait 30 seconds for the glue to dry and you're gluing on like 12 pieces, so. Oh, that's funny. There. Tweezers are a problem. We have both sets of lashes, top and bottom. I just cut them and glued them along the line I drew. Now, she does not have contour. She's not a contoured face, but because she's just all this white square. But I am going to contour my nose a smidgen to just kind of give the illusion of a, I don't know, like a button nose, I suppose. Kind of adds to that 30s, 20s and 30s sort of. So I'm going to white out my lips some more. I'm gonna just, oh shoot, I need a new jouet. I'm gonna use a red liner. What just happened? Why are you doing this to me? Fenty Lip Stunner. I figured this was the best choice of long wear deep red. All right, we need costume, we need wig. Hang on, I'll be right back. Ooh, 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 ooh. Boop, 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 boop. What did she say? Booty, boop, boop, doo. I don't even know. My hands are so messy. Ah! Oh, I should show you my costume. You guys just think I'm sitting here naked. It is, oh God, I gotta lift it up. It's just a little red sequin dress from
comes with
Amazon.
The wig.
I had the hoop earrings. You gotta have hoop earrings. And actually big gold bracelets are like key.
And I need to use my baby Betty Boop voice. Okay, here's my baby voice. Yeah. Doesn't she have a baby voice? It's super cheap. You can tell it's just so crappy, but that's okay. I took a Sharpie and colored in the part because it just looked like plastic. But, you know, hey, it's not so bad from a distance, right? Yeah.
I lowered my eyebrows because I just felt like they were too high. They were too high. Her face is all up here and then her lips are just down here. I mean, we don't have to get too technical here with Betty Boop, but you know, it's funny how you're thinking, oh, this is easy. And then you look at it and you like think something's wrong. What is going on? You know, you can just paint like stripes versus doing actual lashes. And the heart lip is key, of course. Alrighty guys, and now I'm gonna go walk the dog. I feel like this could be a cross between Frankenfurter from the Rocky Horror Picture Show. Like a crossover. You could do Betty Boop Frankenfurter. Oh my God.
I hope you give this video a thumbs up. I hope you share it to your Pinterest board and with all your friends. Post on Instagram.
And, oh my God, I know, right? Click. Alrighty guys, thanks so much. Let me know what you think of this Halloween look, and always suggest others for me. I'm actually getting some ideas right now just sitting here. So thank you again. I hope this was fun, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.